On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a 39% more powerful NPU enables faster on-device AI. A 19% faster CPU keeps on-device AI feeling instant while your apps launch quickly. With Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, the 24% improved GPU handles heavy visuals effortlessly. And through Vulkan optimization, everything you see stays fluid and sharp. Introducing our largest vapor chamber ever. We're now on our 6th iteration, which provides improved performance with the redesigned internal structure. We've optimized power consumption to give you all-day battery life with up to 31 hours of video playback. Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers the fastest charging speeds we've ever offered, reaching up to 75% in as little as 30 minutes.
If you can control your display based on when you want to share versus what you want to keep private, introducing the world's first privacy display on mobile.
Here's Riley to help me show you how it works. Right now, I have the privacy display on. You can see my screen clearly, but you can't see it from the sides. See? But if I want, I could just go ahead and turn it off like this.
We engineered the black matrix. The black matrix narrows the path of the light emitted from each pixel, precisely controlling the light visible to you. The privacy display is customizable. Set it to activate for specific apps or for notifications that may pop up when you least expect them. Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps unexpected notifications automatically hidden for those moments.
Every shot on the Galaxy S26 series is social media ready, thanks to our advanced Pro Visual Engine and Galaxy AI. The front camera, now powered by an AI image signal processor, brings out more of the finer details, helping you capture the soft strands of hair and natural skin tones so your selfies look true to life. And the wider aperture in the rear camera channels significantly more light to the sensor. You'll see sharper detail and clearer, more vibrant images. We introduced nightography video, so you can hold onto that atmosphere even in low light. On the Galaxy S26 series, Super Steady with horizontal lock helps you capture what would otherwise fly by in steady footage. Galaxy S26 Ultra unlocks advanced video recording with the APV codec, now available for the first time ever. So you can record everything in up to 8K while retaining more detail through rounds of editing. You can also capture directly to external storage as you film. In fact, we're filming and live streaming this entire show using the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by our custom AP, delivering robust performance, industry-leading pro-grade camera, with the world's first privacy display on a mobile device. Galaxy S26 Ultra comes in 4 colors, starting at $1,299.
Thank you very much for joining us today, and see you next time.